We have one popular river called Limpopo River. This river takes birth here in the Great Karo, flows up and then crosses Tropic of Capricorn twice and then drains into Mozambique Channel. Limpopo River. This was asked in the exam. Limpopo River. Limpopo River starts from Africa here, Great Karo Plateau, goes up, forms border between South Africa, Botswana. Notice, South Africa, Botswana, crosses Tropic of Capricorn twice, and drains into Mozambique Channel. Limpopo River. I'm telling you, this is going to come. Zambezi they asked last year Zambezi. This year they will ask, or next year they will ask Limpopo. Notice the river in political map. This river forms border between which two countries? South Africa, Botswana. Limpopo. Check, please. I'll slow down. I want you to check Limpopo River. Here given. You can notice Limpopo. Here given. Notice that it flows through the high veld, grassland. High veld, low veld. Okay. All of you got Limpopo? I'll repeat. Limpopo is a river that flows from South Africa all the way to Mozambique Channel. It forms border between South Africa, Botswana. Then Zambia also, notice. Sorry, Zimbabwe. Slight small border with Zimbabwe also. Okay, here. Between the South Africa and Zimbabwe. Also. Here. All of you got this? Limpopo. Next river, Orange River here. Orange River flows from South Africa towards Namibia border, almost in the border, and flows into Atlantic Ocean. Orange River. Very popular river, Orange. Notice that is a very long river. It comes from Lesotho here. All the way from Lesotho here it flows. Orange. Forms border between Namibia and South Africa. This is where we have cheetah. Namibia, South Africa. Cheetah. Cheetahs were recently reintroduced to India. Cheetah reintroduction project. From where? Here. From here. From Namibia and South Africa. Cheetahs from this region was reintroduced to Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Kunopalpur, Navaradehi and Jaisalmer. Okay, from which country? Namibia and South Africa. They'll ask which river, what river bank is Orange. Orange River Bank. Okay, done. This river is important. Next river here, Niger River. Below Niger there are two more small rivers. Olta, White Olta, Black Olta. Notice that, Olta. There was this White Olta and Black Olta. Flows in Ghana, Togo region. Cut West Africa. Olta. West Africa. Okay, West African rivers. Olta. This one. This rivers. Olta. Small rivers but important rivers. Done? All of you have seen the important rivers and all this. This place you notice last, Katanga. Here. So this Katanga region here in southern Congo is very rich in minerals like diamond, uranium. Here, Katanga Plateau. Congo-Zambia border is very popular for mineral resources like diamond and uranium. Very high quality uranium is found here. Okay, so this particular uranium was identified by one of the top scientists of the world, Albert Einstein. He was the one who estimated the quality of the uranium ore. He wrote a letter to US President Roosevelt saying we need this uranium We need this uranium for making weapons, nuclear weapons. So US intervened here. They forcefully mined uranium and they took it from here, from Katanga Plateau. US came to this region in 1930s and they mined uranium and they took it to US. This uranium was used to make the atomic bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima, Nagasaki. This is called as Congo connection, because the uranium from Congo was used on Hiroshima, Nagasaki. So this is called as Congo connection. So that is the reason Hiroshima, Nagasaki, August 6th and August 9th we celebrate this Black Day. Correct? So Hiroshima, Nagasaki mein. So same day even Congo does that same, like they celebrate Black Day. That because that their uranium was responsible for the destruction of these two cities, Hiroshima, Nagasaki. So remember Katanga Plateau. Katanga is even today very rich. Okay, so please remember this place. So in world geography class or in your IR class, many of these topics will come up, whatever we are discussing. If you all have seen all this, you can answer some questions also now. UPSC previous year questions. See, they have asked about Congo Basin. Okay, see which one of the following is a part of Congo Basin, they have asked. Okay, notice Cameroon, Nigeria, South Sudan, Uganda. Congo Basin is this region. Congo is there. Okay, you can notice here Republic of Congo is there. Gabon, Cameroon. Okay, so Cameroon is there in the choice. Nigeria is here. South Sudan is this. Uganda is this. As a result, Cameroon is the right choice. They have given the answer, so we can't do anything, but you can see. Which of the following countries are part of Congo Basin? You got it? Like this, they are asking questions now. Map related. Location specific questions. They are not tough. If you have seen the map clearly, Congo Basin covers which of the following countries and all. I told you, remember wet evergreen forest, rainforest and all. That you should remember. Okay, this is again about mineral resource they are talking about. Many mineral resources are there in Congo, South Africa and all, like uranium, cobalt, iron ore and all. So this is one of the mineral resource. This I'll cover in minerals class. Which country has which mineral wealth? That I'll cover. So about 3/4 of the world's cobalt, a metal required for manufacturing of batteries for electric motor vehicles, is produced by Argentina, Botswana, Democratic Republic of Congo, Kazakhstan, Congo, DRC. Okay, they also have cobalt. Here you can see cobalt statistics they have given. Which country has large? Then comes Russia, Australia, Canada. Okay, you can notice the statistics. I'll cover this. Okay,